Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 8th, 2025. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. And this one you are interested, it's the binary puzzle. It's binary time. And this will be number 9866. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. A binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Only 3 O's here. Let me start with the ones. The ones, here no, there no. 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 And now, between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And I know between the 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between the O's and O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's here, one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.